Today I will share with you about some of the happy way. If you like it, you can take it, and if you don't like it, you can go just the normal way, the way it is. Number one is meditation. Yes, it sounds like boring and you will feel like boring for somebody or maybe yourself, but that is the true one. Meditation, yes, is the key in happiness in a way. There are many definitions on the paper about meditation, and find a way is good for you about the meditation. So the second one is mirroring or maybe imagination and vision visualization, dreaming about 1%, choose 1%. That will be your close friend, your family, beautiful face of the friend. It's not about the normal people. It's not about the angry or the hatred, the enemy you hate. It's about the friendly love, friendly, and it's not about the different sex. The same sex, and it's good for you, fulfillment and friendly imagination about it, and as much as we can. And our world will be more fulfillment and happy. If we want to level up it, share with the happy face in with the normal people around and keep going like it is. One in the big level. If we can take the beautiful face of the friendly influence on the enemy or every planet on the planet or around the world, that is not very easy, but we can try it as much as we can. Our friendly imagination of the friendly face share around the environment or around in our dream world. There will be the happy time. The more we practice, the more we will get the happiness of fulfillment peacefully. Yes. Find the bonus one is in every moment we practice and train ourselves to be open mind and to be open heart and face every situation. There will be okay and everything will be okay and smoothly in a mature way. I will say it again, it's about facing every moment when you cannot thinking anything. Let our opening mind and opening heart, thinking and dreaming and going everywhere just the way it is. Yes, that is all about this. Yeah. Meditation and dreaming, friendly phrases, sharing, and opening mind, opening hearts. Practice together and we learn. If you like anything about it, you can like, share, and comment below discussion. I hope you have abundant happiness all around. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next journey. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye for now.